Hello everyone, it is September 21st, Monday. Hopefully you all had a great weekend. Wanted to shoot out a short video regarding class for this week. So for the 22nd, there's going to be a learning module on electricity, magnetism, and electromagnetism. This is based on chapter 4. This will open tomorrow at 7 a.m. for all you early risers. So it will be available at 7 a.m. There will be one assignment that you need to complete before noon. Okay, so that assignment is questions based on electricity. The remaining assignments, which are on magnetism and electromagnetism, those assignments are not due until September 28th. Now, let me make a very strong suggestion that you use the 3 hours that we would usually have for class to complete these assignments, okay? I would not procrastinate on completing the questions for either of those topics, electricity, magnetism, electromagnetism. They're not that difficult. They are multiple choice, and so you can easily complete all 3 of those assignments before noon. So I would suggest doing that, and the reason being is because you can then use that content to prepare for next week when we have the lecture on electricity, magnetism, and electromagnetism, and then to also prepare for your next unit test. So that is the learning module. Opens tomorrow at 7 a.m. There's also content within RadTech Boot Camp that I would like you to start going through. So now we're going to start using RTBC for the course. And what you're going to do is you're going to log into RadTech Boot Camp, and you're going to go to a specific area, the core content. So I'm going to get out of this slide here. Let's see if I can do that. There we go. And go to RadTech Boot Camp. And so when you log into RadTech Boot Camp, you go to the area, the core area. And I've already seen that, a good portion of you have done that for Ms. Hammond last semester. Now we're going to use it for the area, in the area for Rad 190, the area of physics. So the first sections that you're going to use for this learning module are section 7 and section 9. And so in section 7, you'll see that there's 3 content areas: a parallel circuit, series circuit, the parallel circuit, and Ohm's law. What I would, again, suggest that you do is you watch the videos, and then you're going to take the quiz. Now, this has to be done. You have to complete the quiz for each one of these sections, okay? So for section 7, there is a quiz for the series circuit, the parallel circuit, and for Ohm's law, okay? So watch the videos first, then take the quiz. Now, you can take the quiz as many times as you want. What I'm going to do on the back end is just to make sure that you have attempted the quiz, all right? And then based on that, you'll receive the points for completing the quizzes. It's basically 25 points. So not per quiz, it's for completing the series of quizzes that are associated with the learning module. So there's the 3 sections within section 7, series circuit, parallel circuit, and Ohm's law. And then the other section that I would like you to view and complete the quizzes are in section 9. Now, not all of them. It would be AC and DC electrical current, so you'll watch the video and complete the quiz for that. Transformer, you watch the video and complete the quiz for that. Transformer math, same thing, and then auto transformer, okay? So for section 9, there's only 4 content areas that I want you to complete the quizzes for. Now, those quizzes are not due tomorrow, which would be September 22nd. They are due, they need to be completed by September 28th at 6 p.m., okay? So again, when you go into RadTech Boot Camp, and view the videos and do the quizzes, it records your attempts. It shows me how many times, and it shows me the scores. My main focus is to have you go through this area because it coincides with what you're learning in Chapter 4 and what we're talking about in this module. And this is another great way to learn the content. It's repetitive, it's very useful, and believe me, less than a year from now, when you're preparing to take the registry, you're going to be using RadTech Bootcamp again, coming back to this area, and it's going to be very helpful for you. So those are the two components associated with with this module that has to be completed by next week. You have homework associated with the module, but again, I would suggest you do that on the 22nd, get it done. And then you have the RadTech Bootcamp where you're going to watch the videos and perform the quizzes. And you have time until September 28th to do that. So that is all that I have for this announcement. Any questions about anything, you can always email me, and some of you have. You've asked some great questions. I'm also available to go over any content with you via GoToMeeting if you have any questions. So that is all for the announcements. And again, have a great day, and we'll talk later. Bye-bye.